Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on your Bose 700 noise cancelling headphones. To replace your earpads, all you are going to need is a butter knife, get something that is not sharp, and a pair of earpads. By the way, if you do need earpads, stay to the end of this video and I'll show you exactly where you can grab some. Now let me move you to the top of the table and I'll show you how to replace the earpads. Okay, so let's start. The first step is going to be removing the old earpads. The way you're going to remove it is you're going to grab the butter knife. Again, as I said, use something non-sharp, and you want to be gentle with it. You're just going to place it in between the gap that is in between the earpad and the plastic. So you're going to do this from several angles, and then you're just going to slowly pop it up. You see how you hear those clicking sounds? I'll show you why you have those clicking sounds once the earpad is out. Alright, so the reason you have these clicking sounds is because the way that the earpad is attached is that the earpad itself on the back side has a bunch of hooks. It has 6 hooks, I'm sorry. And the hooks go inside the slots that are positioned on the headphone ear cup. Now let's remove the other one. And the reason you want to be gentle with it is because once you remove them, you don't want the hooks to break, because if one hook from the earpad is missing, you won't ever be able to put it on again. Okay, so the next step is optional. You have the screen mats. Now you might not want to replace them yet, but if you do, you're simply going to grab them and pull them out. They're attached with adhesive. After you've removed them, you want to remove the leftover adhesive that was holding them in place. Simply scrape it off. Now pay attention right here. Before you remove the leftover adhesive, you got to remember that these two parts right here, you are not supposed to remove. This is not the parts that are from the adhesive. This is a covering that covers the wire for the speaker. So you don't want to touch this one. You only want to touch these ones around, but you don't want to touch that one. You'll see it that it goes from the silver metal covering to the bottom. It's at the bottom of it, so you don't want to touch that one. Now removing the adhesive is going to be the longest process of this entire video. So that is the hardest part, but after this, it's all easy. Now, after you remove all the adhesive, you want to take the new screens and attach them. Now, if by any chance you removed all of them and you forgot which side is which, just remember that the right side is the side with the power button right here. So I'm going to take the right side and I'm going to position it like that. All right. Just going to take off the adhesives. After I took off the adhesive layers, I'm just going to position it like that. It's going to fit nice inside. Then we'll move to the left one and then position that one inside. And that's it. Now let's move on to installing the new earpads. I'm gonna grab our Speed Racer design. So as I said, 6 hooks all around. You wanna position them with the 6 slots inside. I'm just gonna start with the top 2. All right, one side is done, and then the other side. And that is it. You have successfully replaced your Bose 700 earpads. I know that I promised to tell you where you can grab some of those sick earpads like the Speed Racer that I have on my headphones. Well, the answer is we make them at Wicked Cushions. We have a bunch of other designs. I personally love the Speed Racer the most, that's why I have them on. Our earpads are thicker than the original. Their inside seam is stitched and glued, and they come with a 365-day warranty. If you want to try them out, click the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below or contact us with the email information that we have in the description. If this video ended up being helpful for you, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. And I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.